Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I have an unboxing video for you. I got these yesterday for my kid at school. Yes, I have a knife in my hand. So I'm going to be unboxing my mannequins. I got 2 female mannequins and then I have a male mannequin plus a mannequin headstand. So I'm going to unbox this. I'm going to open it. I haven't opened them. People in class said that they're freaky and that they're really weird. So I'm going to unbox these. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up at the end. And let's jump into this video. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see me. I'll stand on this side. So, this is my mannequin stand. It says it's an adjustable extension holder. So it should look like this. And then it comes with a thank you card. And then of course I come with my invoice where I ordered my stuff. So here's one of my boxes. So this is one of my females. We had to get 2 of the same females. And of course we cannot see her because she is covered in her hair. So I also have a male. Both girls will look like that. So this is what my male, well, he won't look like that, but he has a full-on beard. And we probably won't be able to see him either if he is in a bag. And he's covered in hair as well. So I'm going to open him because I want to see what they look like. And they have tags on them. So he definitely needs a haircut. So this is what he looks like. He has a full beard. And then he has long hair. So I'm going to put him back in the bag and back in his box. So then I'm going to open one of my cake dolls. Because I want to see what she looks like. And this is what Kate looks like. So, there is my mannequin. My Kate, I have 2 of these. So, we also had to name our mannequins. So, I'm not quite sure what I want to name them yet. I have a couple names in mind for the female one. But as far as the male one goes, I have no clue. So, that is what my mannequins look like. We start cutting next week, so I'm going to make a couple videos over the weekend to try and get caught up for where I stand in class, because this way we have done blow drying, flat ironing, marcelling. We got done with marcels today. So I'm going to be making a parting video. Now that I have a dot, I can show y'all better of our partings. So I'll make a parting video this weekend. I'm going to make the blow drying video. I'm also going to make the flat iron video, as well as the marcel. So next week I should be caught up, because we do start cutting next week. I'm so excited. I cut hair anyway. My family's hair I cut. So now I'm going to learn the proper way to cut. And I have a lot of homework this weekend. Well, it's due next Friday, but I have a lot of worksheets, a ton of reading. So I'm going to be busy, but I am going to make these videos for y'all. But that is my unboxing video for my mannequins. Everybody in class said they looked weird, they freaked them out, but to me, it doesn't matter. My boyfriend has a Chucky doll on our dresser. Dolls do not bother me. So, I think they're cool. I'm ready to start cutting. So, I also have to go buy all my supplies this weekend for my kit that I don't have. I'll also make a video for that, maybe like a shopping haul type deal. So stay tuned. I think I'm gonna do the shopping haul for that, because we have a whole list of stuff that we need. I have some of it, I just don't have all of it. For today, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.